wonderful world.
Hello, it's Blue Girl here, but wait, I changed my YouTube channel name into Blue Squish. It because I love blue color and squishy thing. Like this channel is about squishy stuff, of course. So yeah, welcome to Blue Squish YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Doritos Paper Squishy of the Rainbow series. Rainbow variant. So yeah, it's really slow rising and then soft as you can see and fun to squish. So let's go to the tutorial. First, you need a piece of paper, pencil, and then eraser. And this is for example to make this squishy. Well, now fold the paper into two sections like this. And then draw a sketch. Use a pencil. If you finish drawing a sketch, then draw the outline using ballpoints or markers. Then the sketch used by the pencil had to be erased first to clean it. When you finish drawing a sketch, then give them color, use coloring pencil or markers. If you finish coloring it, then open the paper and attach a large tape to the paper. You should use large clear tape. Apply them on all sides using tape like this. But you know, save one hole for the background in it, like one side, you know. Well, yeah, I said background before. You need this to stuffing in the squishy. Now put just enough background into paper. Then close the hole with the tape and make sure it has no holes. Because you know, if the squishy has too many holes or lesions, the result will not be slow. And if you close all the sides together, it will be very slow. Trust me. So it's the result. Look at this. The paper squishy, it's pretty thick, isn't it? And big. I like it. As you can see, the results are very slow and of course soft. I really like it because it's so fun. Well, that's it. I hope you like it. You can request whatever video I have to make for the next time. Don't forget to keep support this channel with like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.